Welcome back to Home and Lifestyle TV. Today we found a place that is completely redefining the way we take care of our bodies. We know the drill. Eat right, exercise, do all the things. So in today's For Your Health, we are diving into a place offering many solutions under one roof. Restore Hyper Wellness. We met up with Josh and Lexi Dennis, owners of this gorgeous Southlake location, as well as the Colleyville Clinic. Josh, I am all things wellness. I love everything about it. I'm kind of a geek. I've tried just about everything. One thing I have realized is there's this gap between going to the gym and going to the doctor, and Restore seems to fill in that gap.
Everybody knows exercise is critical, along with some other things. Sleep and diet are included, but what is often overlooked and is now being scientifically proven is the evidence that recovery and restoration is just as important as actually doing the exercise. That's why we provide these services that really complement each other.
Jade, can you give us a little tour? Show us around?
Absolutely, I would love to. So we just saw the front desk. We got a couple nurses up here. We say hello. Some members in here getting their IV. Some have various nutrients. You can see some bigger and smaller bags. Love the hydration. Compression sleeves pair nice with these IVs. We offer legs, hips, lower back, and full body on the arms. Come on back and check out some more medical services that we offer. So over in this room, this is going to be our mild hyperbaric oxygen chamber.
Ooh.
The benefits are ideal for everyone.
Wow.
Oxygen straight to the brain, the body, all the nooks and crannies. You're also going to get the best sleep the day after.
She had me at sleep, but what are the other key benefits?
Yeah, so if you think about it, when we exercise, we're getting a lot of oxygen. This is doing the work for you. We see a lot of athletes come in for different concussions and head injuries.
I'm always your guinea pig. It's actually not bad at all. See you guys, bye!
So many people are focused on a traditional model of you only seek help when you're injured, when you're hurt, when you just need something, and Restore really focuses on being more proactive with your health and kind of helping those everyday things. And the whole business was just founded on this principle of proactive wellness.
The systemic approach, how do you explain that?
It's a one-stop shop. So you're not just there putting a Band-Aid fix for one thing. We offer so many different varieties of services that really target what your need is. So when clients come in, we typically ask them, what is it that you're feeling? What are you looking for? Is it brain fog, fatigue? Is it an injury?
Oh my goodness, I don't need a cup of coffee now. Wow.
Welcome back. This is our cryotherapy whole body service. We do offer some different types of temperature, hot and cold. Some benefits of the whole body, it's a good type of stress. So similar to getting in a hot sauna, similar to doing some exercise. This is gonna help decrease inflammation. It's gonna promote longevity, great for the skin too.
Is it gonna make me look like this?
If you do it enough times, it should.
Sign me up. So you go to the gym, you stop by here, or vice versa.
It's all very complementary. What is becoming more known now is the importance of recovery. That includes your sleep. That includes your energy levels, and that helps you work out more intensely or longer. Therefore, it improves the workouts that you're going to have and how you feel at home.
Okay, in terms of medical, all of these services are administered by a registered nurse. They work on site 7 days a week. One of the most popular right now is going to be select peptides that we offer and GLP.
You guys are now offering GLPs and helping people on their weight loss journey, right?
So the GLP-1 is really helpful in combination with coming in for an IV for hydration. We can also add any sort of nutrients into their IV bags, whether they feel like they might be short on magnesium. If they're not remembering to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, we can supplement that and help their immunity as well. Pair it with the cryotherapy or the red light therapy. It's really helpful for aiding them on their weight loss journey.
One of the biggest ones to pair with the GLP is going to be our Neve Skin Shape and Tone.
Ooh, I want to find out about this. Kimberly, I love what Jade was saying about people coming in for the medical therapies and then coming to see you. They may be on a weight loss journey and have some skin laxity, and you have these really cool treatments to address that. Tell me about it. Things I haven't even heard of before.
Yeah, so we have the Neve Skin Shape and Tone. We can also do facials with that as well. So we can do 3 different treatments with this device. So if you're somebody that is losing weight rapidly, you want to make sure you're drinking plenty of water, and you want to come in for the toning sessions because that helps to tighten, lift, and firm that loose, crepey skin. And also too, with the shaping sessions, while you're doing the GLP-1s, those shape sessions are going to help you reach your goal a lot quicker.
Really?
So that you don't have to be on the GLP-1s for an extended amount of time. So
I love it. So you guys are a team, total team, from the wellness, the recovery, the restoration. You add in the aesthetics and the beauty. And I mean, I'm just gonna move in. I'm gonna move in. I got in the
Hyperbaric chamber?
hyperbaric,
Absolutely.
anything that improves my sleep. And then Jade said the cryo is also going to improve your sleep. If you're coming here and you're hitting these modalities that are going to enhance your sleep, just that alone to me is going to help your entire life.
Systemic restoration is what we are after.
Yeah.
You have to exercise and then you have to recover.
Yeah.
And you know what that means? It means you feel good. And it means when you get that momentum, you want to do more exercise. You want to be out there more often. And so it also helps you want to eat better because you're starting to see results.
Yeah, love that. I love what you're doing. Thank you for what you offer here. Your team is amazing, and we just love what you guys are doing. So thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. Can't wait to see you in the hyperbaric chamber.
I did get in. It wasn't that bad. If you are ready to elevate your life beyond gym life, come out and see Josh, Lexi, and their amazing team at either their Southlake or Colleyville locations. Go to restore.com to learn more about these therapies and book your appointment. We have more Home and Lifestyle TV coming up, so don't go away.